Welcome back. Make yourself comfortable in the chair you're sitting or where you're lying down. Close your eyes and take a deep breath in. And as you breathe in calm, peace, and forgiveness. And as you breathe out, let go of any tension, any stress, any heaviness. Breathe in again. And as you breathe in calm, peace, forgiveness. And as you breathe out tension, any stress, any heaviness. One more time as you breathe in calm, peace, forgiveness. And as you breathe out, release any tension, any stress, any heaviness. Now relax the crown of your head, your forehead. Feel the skin of your face relax. Feel your eyes fall deep into their sockets. Relax your cheeks, your cheekbones, your jaws, your chin. Feel your neck relax. Relax your shoulders, your arms, your forearms, your hands, your fingers, your fingernails. Feel your chest relax. Relax your torso. Relax your abdomen, your abdominal organs, all your internal organs relax. Relax your hips, your thighs, your knees, your feet, your toes. Feel your toenails relax. Feel the relaxation from the crown of your head to the soles of your feet. Feel your whole body soften. Feel your spirit open. I invite you now to bring to mind anything from your past that still weighs heavily on your heart. Maybe it's an old story, an old regret, or a deep wound. Now, without any judgment, simply notice it. Now, allow it to gently rest in the palm of your hand. And now I want you to imagine that you're holding a small glowing flame. And as you bring this flame to your hand, see it gently dissolving what you are ready to release. And whether that's old hurt, an old story, a deep wound, an old regret, whatever it is, see that old heaviness turn to light, to ash, to nothing, and observe it as it drifts away in the wind. Now feel the space that opens inside of you. A space of lightness, of freedom, of possibility and opportunity. Every release makes room for a new beginning. Every release makes room for a new beginning. Now repeat softly in your heart, I release what no longer serves me. I am free to begin again. My past does not define me. I walk forward with peace, joy, and courage. Again, I release what no longer serves me. I am free to begin again. My past does not define me. I walk forward with peace, joy, and courage. One more time, I release what no longer serves me. I am free to begin again. My past no longer defines me. I walk forward with peace, joy, and courage. Take a deep cleansing breath in and breathe it all the way out. Feel yourself lighter, freer, and more open to the new and exciting possibilities that surround you. And when you're ready, bring your awareness back into your body. Wiggle your fingers, your toes, roll your shoulders back, open your eyes gently, and come back to this space, this time, this room that you were in. And remember, every ending creates space for a new beginning. And if you'd love to go deeper, join me in the Phoenix Inner Circle or explore my journal and guided audio series. Your freedom begins now.